Good afternoon, madam. So, what do you think about Ignite Space? How do you feel it?
Yeah, Ignite Space is a good platform for my kids, right? My kid is just 5 years old. He got enrolled to this because he's liking it so much. So it is that Ignite Space gave guide, basic guide for my kids. Now, and also he had enjoyed a lot in this class. So it's a brilliant place for you.
හරි ආසයි. මට ඉන්නේ දුවේ. ඉතින් පුනාට එයා මේ හරි ආසයි මේ දේවල් ගැන ඔයාලට කරන්න ගන්න.